Hey y'all, hey, I'm at work. My coworkers bought me a cake, y'all. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm taking my cake home. Cut Florida a piece, and then I'm taking me a cake home. My cake home, my cake home. Yeah. So, Liz, isn't it pretty? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I got a package. Let's open it. Jeez. There's stuff everywhere. So, oh, you got me a book. Build your personal brand in the age of social media. The blueprint to manage and monetize your influence as a content creator. Brittany Hennessy. Oh, thank you, baby girl. I'm gonna read it too. I'm sure later. And she got me. Oh, she got me some fake. Please let her be my skincare. She got me some stuff. Okay. So the first thing is, child, I need my glasses. Where are they? All right, this is Rinse Off Body Conditioner. This is body conditioner shea butter from Oil of Olay. I got Beauty Bio, the nightly overnight retinol repair serum. I got that. I also got Klairs vitamin E serum, natural 93% softening. I got that. And I also got the Klairs Advanced Vitamin E Hyaluronic Acid. I got that. So glad I need some stuff too. This I got Thayer's Natural Remedy. Let's Be Clear Water Cream. Clarifies skin, soothing texture. Combo to oily skin. I got that. Okay. And she also got me some Dream Booster. Better Aging Serum Beekman. She got me that. Ooh, I got a lot. And then she got Dia Blow Lash Lift Cleanser. She got that for me. Ooh. Oh, she got me a Dia Blow Lash Lift Eyelash Lifting Kit. She got me that to go with the other thing. And then she got me another Dia Blow Lash Lift Applicators. She got me that. And she got me some Shani Darden Weight Oil-Free Moisturizer Hyaluronic Ledger Sans Hull. She got me that. She got me a lot of stuff, y'all. She got me Klairs New York Visible Brightening Vitamin C Moisturizing Cream. She got me that. And she got me, I can't hardly see this, look right, Jesus. Ghost Democracy Boomerang Firming Eye Concealant. And this is All Day Moisturizer from Spa Science. All skin types. It's for all skin types. And then she got me Lash Enhancing Serum. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry, boy. Oh, it's in paper. I'm trying to open it. It's in paper. She got me a Grand Brow Enhancing Serum and the mascara. Oh, I got those. So, yeah, she sent it all in this box. And, yeah, I got all of this stuff. I'm so happy. This is how all of it came in. All of that. Well. All right, y'all. So, this is Friday. I am doing a little recording. I'm gonna do this room. Child, I'm gonna do this room. in the Christmas night. That is the bed, y'all. I love it. I'm about to put my rug down and get that together. And yeah. Cleaning my desk off. Alright, y'all, I just wanted y'all to see the finished results of the room. It is clean. All his stuff is up for now. Child, I didn't feel like getting a nightstand up in there. But this is how it looks. It's so nice and clean. Try to clean this mirror as much as possible. Excuse me. My side. My desk, I've turned my desk around this way. I gotta wash my cover, but yeah, I'm loving it. I'm gonna put some Christmas lights up and maybe a few Christmas items. I'm not sure, but I am loving how it looks right now, guys. The rug, I just need to carpet clean the rug. I'm not doing that today. I need to carpet clean the rug, but like I said, it's not happening today. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe and share. Thank you guys again for watching my channel, supporting me. Trying really hard to do this content creating, and just give me some input, give me some comments, give me some advice. I'm watching Sharika, I'm watching Chelsea, Peyton, Amani, Style by Casanova. I'm watching a lot of people. I'm watching Dame Dash. I'm watching Mylan. I'm watching, what's the other guy? D something. I can't think of his name, but I'm watching him as well. But yeah. Thanks again, and please hit that like and subscribe. It's Christmas. It's the time of the year, y'all. It's the time of the year, y'all. Okay, it's time to bake, it's time to cook, it's time to decorate.